Students, open your English textbook on page number 83. Students, in previous session we learned the lesson that is the little white rose bird. In this session we will solve the question answers. See, the first question, reading and speaking skill. Read the lesson aloud. You have to read the lesson, okay? Next question, where does the little white rosebud live? Now answer is, the little white rosebud lives in a dark room. Okay, see the next question, what do the voices say together? See, here is the answer. The voices say together, we want to come in, we want to come in, we want to come in. Understood? See the next question, reading skill. Who make the tap tap noise at the door? Take the correct answer. Choose the correct option. Red, sunshine, rose. Who make the tap tap noise? Sunshine is the correct answer. So take here, okay? See next. Describe the noise that rain makes. Which sound rain makes? See, here is. A little rustling, whispering sound all around the windows. Rustle, whisper, whisper. This sound made by rain. Okay. Now next, who says this and to who? Okay. We want to come in. Who says this line? See, sun and rain both together says this line to whom? To rosebud. Understood? Now next, push your head through. Who says this line? This line also says by rain and sunshine to a rosebud. Understood? Now next, think and answer. Okay. Why do you think rain and sunshine want to go in? Why do you think? It's a personal response question. Answer is, I think rain and sunshine want to go in because they want to do friendship with white little rosebud. Okay, you can write your own answer, but it must be related to our lesson related. Okay, now next, what do you think happens after rain and sunshine take the little white rosebud out? What happened? Answer is, I think when rain and sunshine take the little white rosebud out in the garden, rosebud feel very happy and looking beautiful. At the same time, rosebud got other friends like other flowers. Understood? See the next. Which other flowers do you think are there in the garden? You can write any flower name according to your choice. Okay, like sunflower, like cactus, like lily. Okay, like lotus. You can write. Okay, now next, talk. Speaking skill. Work in a pair. See, this activity you can do with your parents or your friends. I have lost ball. Second person says, Which one? First says, the big red one. Have you seen it? No. Second one. Yes, I have. It is in the garden. Like that, you have to do this same activity in with given words in the box on next page, page number 85. Okay. See, bag, big heavy one in the cupboard. Then first we'll ask, first we'll say, I have lost my bag. Second we'll say, which one? Then first we'll say, the big heavy one. Have you seen it? Then second one will say, yes, I have. It is in the cupboard. Like that you have to do remaining one. Understood? We will stop here. Remaining part we will see in the next part. Okay? Till that you have to complete these pages today in the textbook and tomorrow in the notebook. Okay? And send me the video, send me the photocopy. Okay? Thank you.